which app to use? By S a K-pop editor? Okay, so let's select our image photo, any photo you like, and go to Ibis Paint X and plus sign import picture. You'll come to your gallery, click the photo you want, and then you have to in extract line drawing you have to click cancel and the number one with the box, and you have to click the plus sign and then click to selection layer, and then you have to start coloring your drawing. So the color will appear blue, so that's how the thing works. So you'll later on get to select which color you want to give only or anybody's picture you want to edit. And so this just like go on just coloring, and if you click by mistakenly put your line in there, so you can see the up to left side two arrows, right? You can just click there. If you click the left side arrow, you will go to the normal picture, and if you click the right arrow, you will get back to the scribbles. And you have probably seen how I erased all of these and then back to brushes, so you have to just do the same thing. And these two lines which are there, dark the thingy to the top line, in the bottom shelf you can see two lines, right? So in that bottom shelf, the top line is supposed to manage the size of your brush. If you want to fill the kind of like big object, then you have to select the sizes, and you can just go on managing the size. In the bottom shelf, it is like how much dark or light you want a particular shade to be. So you have to just color. I think you have gotten a basic knowledge of how this app pretty much works. Even I was a beginner then. Yeah, I got it. And then you have to click to the bottom shelves. The S written square thing is there. No, it's in the right side, which you clicked before. So you have to click that thing. Yeah, thing, and you have to go to normal, like the box below the selection layer, and then got it, the box below, not completely down, the second box after the box right after the selection layer, and then you can start filling in your color like how I did. Then click the blur option, then you go to the normal thing, and soft light option, and yeah, and this is how our Uni looked before and after. Still gorgeous, right? Drop dead. So subscribe, please watch my channel. Thanks for watching.